Hello, Philippines. Hello, universe, and good day to all of you, especially to our listeners. Welcome to our Esgasi educational channel. Today, we explore the beauty and depth of Philippine literature. I'm your host, Kyla Francisca, and for today's episode, we talk about Philippine literature. I hope all of you are going to be excited to listen and to learn. Before anything else, let me ask you, have you ever wondered why we love listen or telling stories? Every story came from our grandparents or to our parents, even from the books. There's always be small pieces that can connect to our identity as Filipino. Okay, in this episode, I will give you a summary of the story and let me share about the author's background. But first, what is Philippine literature? Okay. Philippine literature includes oral folktales, poetry, short stories, and novels written in many languages, in English and also in Spanish. It reflects our history, colonization, struggle, and identity and daily life. Dito makikita natin kung paano nagbago ang boses ng mga manunulat sa paglipas ng panahon. The importance of Philippine literature is that help us understand who are we as Filipino through stories, poems, and plays na sinusulat ng mga dakilang manunulat. Studying Philippine literature help us understand the roots and appreciate our culture. It connects us to past, how people felt during colonization, how we fought for our freedom, and how we found hope and stories. One example of great Philippine literature story is Mayday Eve by Nick Joaquin. Mayday Eve is about a man and a woman who fell in love one magical night, but their love didn't work last. Years later, they both remember that night differently. The woman remembers it as something dark and sad, while the man remembers it as something and beautiful. The authors of Mayday Eve is Nick Joaquin. He is one of our national artists of literature. He known for exploring as Filipino identity, history, and culture in his masterpiece. He wrote fiction, essay, and play exploring Filipino identity, history, and myths. His writing mixes modern life with old tradition, showing how the past continues to shape who are we today. And his one masterpiece is Mayday Eve, that there's a lot of lesson we can gain and to apply to our daily life. The lesson from this story ay huwag hayaang masira ng pride o maling akala ang pagmamahalan at pag-unawa sa isa't isa. The story teaches us that love doesn't always stay the same. People can remember the same moment in different ways. One may feel happy about it, while the others feel sad. It reminds us that love is not always perfect, but is part of our learning and growing. Through a story like Mayday Eve, we understand Filipino emotion, tradition, and the way we value love and memories. So next time you read Filipino poem or story, don't just see it as an assignment, see it as a piece of our nation heart. Kaya mga kaibigan, patuloy lang tayong magbasa at pahalagahan ang ating sariling panitikan. Thank you for listening to Esgasi Educational Channel. I'm Kyla Francisco. See you in next episode. Bye-bye.